Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate family sharing beta on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the word Steam there. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can customize various aspects of your Steam experience. In the settings window that opens, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories listed. Click on Interface. This section controls how Steam looks and behaves on your computer, and it's where you'll find the beta participation options you need. Now, within the interface settings, look for an option called Client Beta Participation. Right beside this label, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and select Steam Families Beta or Steam Beta Update from the list. This is a crucial step because it switches your Steam client from the standard version to the beta version that includes the new family sharing features. After selecting the beta option, you'll see a button that says Restart Now. Click on it to restart Steam. Keep in mind that the beta changes won't take effect until Steam fully closes and reopens, so you'll need to wait a few moments while the application shuts down and relaunches with the updated beta features. This process typically takes about 10 to 20 seconds depending on your system, so just give it a moment to complete the restart. Steam needs this time to apply the new beta configuration and prepare the family sharing interface. Once Steam reopens, log in with your credentials again. After you're back in, head to the upper left corner once more and click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu just like before. In the Settings panel, click on Account Details. This section contains all your personal account information and management options. Now, in the left panel of the Account Details section, click on Family Management. This is where Steam's new family sharing features are housed, allowing you to create and manage your family group. You'll see an option that says Create a Family. Click on it to begin setting up your family group. A text field will appear asking you to type a family name. Enter whatever name you'd like to use for your family group, then click the Create button right beside it. It's worth noting that Steam requires full accounts to create a family, so limited accounts won't be able to complete this step. And that's it! You've successfully activated family sharing beta on Steam and created your family group. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.